Taking underwater photos with a phone has become an exciting field. Waterproof phones are increasingly in demand by photographers, adventurers, and enthusiasts looking to document the fascinating world underwater. We've picked the 10 best waterproof phones that are durable and offer an excellent phones. 1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a nearly perfect IP rating. Using the exciting Super HDR and Pro Visual Engine features to take great underwater photos and videos is safe. The S24 Ultra's primary camera is equally impressive and boasts a 200 megapixels ISO CELL-HP2SX sensor. Enhancements extend to 12 megapixels ultra-wide and 10MP3x telephoto lenses, providing a wide range of optical ranges from 0.6x ultra-wide to 10x telephoto field of view. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera setup represents a giant leap forward over the S23, especially in its telephoto capabilities. Samsung has launched a powerful 50MP5x periscope telephoto lens, a downgrade from the previous 10MP10x model. Data shows that most Galaxy Ultra users prefer shooting in the 5x zoom range. Samsung Galaxy S24 has an IP68 water resistance rating. This means it is certified to withstand immersion in fresh water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. Additionally, the S Pen's dust and water resistance are not permanent and may become so over time. The star of the series, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, shines brightly, literally, with a 6.8-inch QHD Plus display and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Also offering storage options of 1 TB, 512 GB, or 256 GB, along with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, it's a photographer's dream. 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a powerful, feature-rich, water-resistant phone with a triple-lens camera system that includes a 108 megapixels primary lens, a 48 megapixels telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing you to take stunning photos and videos on land and underwater. The phone has an IP68 rating, making it water-resistant up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is undoubtedly the best phone in the waterproof category. It boasts a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz for an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and coupled with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage, it is one of the most powerful smartphones in the market. 3. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple has taken the iPhone's water resistance further than its competitors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max can stay submerged in 6 meters of water for up to 30 minutes and has the highest IP68 rating of any smartphone released in 2024. Thanks to Apple's new A17 Pro chip, this smartphone was the first designed to handle console-quality games, and its new titanium design makes it lighter than ever. You also get the excellent iPhone Pro camera system, which has been improved with 5x optical zoom this year. Finally, Apple has abandoned its proprietary Lightning port and embraced the welcome weapon of USB-C. iPhone 5 Pro Max is the best choice for those looking for a phone for taking underwater photos with the best environmental protection without sacrificing performance. It's hard to argue with a device that offers 4 times the water resistance of Android flagships. 4. Xiaomi 13 Pro. Xiaomi 13 Pro is a waterproof phone designed to capture amazing photos and videos underwater. The IP68 rating means it is dust-resistant and can withstand submersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. This feature makes it an ideal choice for those who love taking photos or videos underwater. In addition to being water-resistant, the Xiaomi 13 Pro also features a triple-lens camera system on the back. Equipped with a 108 megapixels primary lens, 13 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 5 megapixels macro lens, you can take great photos and videos on land and underwater. It is one of the best value for money among the waterproof phones listed in this article. It has an impressive 120 Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 870 chipset, and 5G connectivity. The Xiaomi 13 Pro delivers flagship-level performance at a mid-range price point. 5. Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro is an excellent phone for anyone who wants to take the best photos without hassle. The Pixel 8 Pro should be able to cover more than the typical 1 meter in 30 minutes. Either way, the IP68 rating ensures it can withstand everyday splashes. This is good enough for us, considering how good every other aspect of the phone is, too. This is thanks to the powerful computational photography and AI capabilities Google has built into its new Tensor G3 chip. This chip enhances every photo you take and lets you use new tools afterward. Google's unprecedented promise of 7 years of updates will ensure you can keep using it until Android 21 appears. Overall, the 8 Pro is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a waterproof phone that offers excellent value for money. 6. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has an IP rating of IP53, which means it is protected from dust and can withstand water splashes and light rain. It also has Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the screen and a silicone case with a cover cap for the USB port for better protection. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro is powered by MIUI 12 based on Android 11. Apart from this, the phone has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that also supports HDR10 and has a brightness of 1200 nits. The phone has a Snapdragon 732G processor, Adreno 618 GPU for graphics, up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, and up to 128GB storage. 7. OnePlus 10 Pro. The OnePlus 10 Pro 5G is a premium waterproof phone with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. Equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 12GB RAM, and up to 256GB internal storage, it delivers exceptional performance and speed. The rear features a quad-lens camera system with a 64-megapixels primary lens, 50-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens, 8-megapixels telephoto lens, and 2-megapixels monochrome lens to capture stunning photos and videos on land and underwater. The phone has an IP68 rating, making it water-resistant up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. For latest updates, like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel.